Weird facts about the world's most mysterious countries. Do you know where Ladonia is? How about Kyrgyzstan? Well, the truth is, many of the countries in this gallery you will have probably never heard of. Or perhaps they are countries that are so closed off from the rest of the world they become totally arcane. Nevertheless, each of the following countries have at least one quirky factor attributed to them that makes them seem completely strange to the rest of the world. Some of these countries are home to the most peculiar traditions and customs, some have unbelievable laws, and some are just downright bizarre. Join me as we embark on an extraordinary journey to uncover the weirdest facts about some of the world's most mysterious countries. In Brunei, nobody pays taxes. Nauru, a country shaped like a potato, has no capital city. Sweden is one of the few countries with an embassy in North Korea. Chapter 4, St. Vincent and the Grenadines. You know, parts of Pirates of the Caribbean were filmed here. Chapter 5, Djibouti. In Djibouti, bottled water is, believe it or not, an accepted form of payment. Chapter 6, Isle of Man. The Milky Way and Northern Lights can be seen from this island. Chapter 7, Lesotho. Lesotho is one of the few African nations to experience snow. Chapter 8, Mauritania. Slavery was only criminalized in Mauritania in 2007. Chapter 9, Bhutan. Phallic symbols are commonly found on buildings in Bhutan. Chapter 10, Futuna. Futuna has remained largely untouched by the modern world. Chapter 11, Eritrea. Eritrea does not have an official language. Chapter 12, Serbia. Serbia is home to peculiar rock formations known as Dvoljavaros. Chapter 13, the Cook Islands were named after Captain James Cook. Chapter 14, Tuvalu profits by selling the rights to the TV domain. Chapter 15, the official language of Suriname is Dutch, not Spanish or Portuguese. Chapter 16, Ladonia. It's easy to apply for citizenship of the micronation of Ladonia. Chapter 17, Sao Tome and Principe. Sao Tome and Principe is one of Africa's most stable democracies. Chapter 18, Moldova. Moldova was without a president for 3 years. Chapter 19, Malta has the oldest standing stone structures in the world. Chapter 20, Kiribati's mainland is sinking, forcing residents to migrate. Chapter 21, the island of Yap uses giant stone wheels, rye stones, as currency. Chapter 22, Swaziland. Swaziland forbids witches from flying above 150 meters. Chapter 23, Niue. Niue's coins feature characters from Disney and Star Wars. Chapter 24, Republic of Artsakh. The Republic of Artsakh is unrecognized by most of the world. Chapter 25, Kyrgyzstan. Kyrgyzstan has a kissing game played on horseback, Kizku. Chapter 26, Benin. Benin is known as the birthplace of the religion of Voodoo. Chapter 27, Lithuania. Lithuania has a hill of crosses featuring over 100,000 crosses. Chapter 28, Falkland Islands. Sheep outnumber people on the Falkland Islands. From the snow-capped peaks of Lesotho to the curious rock formations of Serbia, our journey has taken us to some of the most fascinating corners of our planet. We've encountered unique traditions, peculiar laws, and surprising facts that highlight the incredible diversity of our world. These hidden gems, often overlooked, offer us a glimpse into the extraordinary tapestry of human experience and the boundless wonders of the natural world. It is a testament to the enduring power of cultural heritage and the importance of understanding and appreciating the world's diversity. As we conclude our adventure, let us remember that there is always more to discover, more to learn, and more to marvel at in our extraordinary world.